Alright guys, today we are going to work in page number 121 and we can see here liter. A liter is a measure of capacity in the metric system. It is a little more than 1/4. Es un poquito más que un cuarto, ¿vale? Pero podemos hablar de líquidos, right? So let's start. Class practice. Number 1. Mark under the units of capacity. Unidades de capacidad, right? So here we are going to put, for example, cup, quart, liter. Estos son los que hacen parte de capacidad, ¿cierto? Y pint, right? Now, point number 2. Number each box in order from least to greatest. ¿Cuál es el más pequeño de todos estos? Cup, then pint, then liter, then quart, and then liter, right? Del más pequeño al más grande. Here, ya lo habíamos hecho en la clase anterior. So 1, 2, and 3. Can you see it? And here we have, right now, centimeter, yes, inch, meter, foot, yard, and mile, right? So now, let's move on to point number 3. Here says, solve these story problems. Jackie checked out a book which contained 205 pages of poems. The first night, she read 79 pages. How many pages does she have left? ¿Ha dejado de leer? So, 205, what do we need to do? Subtract, minus 79. So, may I take 9 from 5? No. So, this one changed to a 15, and this one to a 9, and this one to a 2. 15 minus 9, 6. 9 minus 7, 2. And 1 minus 0, 1. Can you see? Now, letter B. Elsie had a Bible club at her house. 25 children attend the club. Dana also had a Bible club at her house. 15 children attend her club. How many children attend all together? So, here says that en este club de la Biblia atiende 25 chicos, right? Y en el de Dana atienden o van 15. ¿Cuántos van en total? So we need to add 5 plus 5, 10, I carry 1. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 40. 40 students in all. So now here says, solve this puzzle. Listen up. It is important that you pay attention. Across, ¿qué significa cross? Los que están así, hacia la derecha. Empecemos. A. 6 multiplied by 4, 24. O sea, aquí tengo A. Escribo aquí 24. 24. B. 5 multiplied by 7, 35. B. 35. Across, o sea, hacia la derecha. ¿Listo? No podemos bajar, ni subir, ni diagonal. Hacia la derecha. 4 multiplied by 4, 16. C. 16. 5 multiplied by 5, 25. So here D is 25. 6 multiplied by 3, 18. In letter E, 18. 9 multiplied by 6, 54. In F, 54. G. H multiplied by 4, 32. Next, 10 multiplied by 4, 40. In H. 7 multiplied by 2. In I, 14. And in J, 11 multiplied by 2, 22. Profe, pero quedaron unos que sobraron. No se preocupen. Ahora vamos hacia down, hacia abajo. Right? A. 7 multiplied by 4, 28. Hacia abajo, 28. Ya tengo el 2, so I write 28. 9 multiplied by 4, 36. B. 36. Oh, we already have it. Ya lo tenemos. Letter C. 5 multiplied by 3, 15. C. Down, 15. Ya lo tenemos. 4 multiplied by 6, 24. In letter D, so we find D, it is 24. 4 multiplied by 3, 12. In E, 12. We already have it. In F, 8 multiplied by 7, 56. In F, 56, porque estamos hacia abajo. ¿Listo? Down. Next, 3 multiplied by 10, 30. Look, 30. Next, 11 multiplied by 4, 44. Where is H? 44. You see? Next, 12 multiplied by 4, 48. In K, 48. You see? And the last one will be 7 multiplied by 6. It is 42. Here, 42. Good job. Now, on page 122, we are going to do the review. We are in page 122, guys, right? So now, here it starts. So, equation, which is the first step, hacer lo que ya sé. 6 multiplied by 6, 36. ¿Qué hace la U? ¿Ella qué? Kick it away. Patea el 3. Y si llega al otro lado, pero si está sumando, llega a restar. U equals 36 minus 3, 33. Right? Here, which is the first step. Do what we already know what to do. 19 plus 6, 25. Letter N, she kicks away the number 5, so he arrives here. If it's subtracting here, in this place, it is going to add. N equals 25 plus 5, 30. Right? Here, what do I have to do? Do what I already know what to do. So 8 multiplied by 3, 24. X, kick away the number 1, so it flies and it arrives here. If it's adding, here it comes subtracting. X equal 24 minus 1, 23. Right? Let's move on. 6 ways. I know you can do it so quickly, so we can do it quickly as well. So 6 multiplied by 4, 3 multiplied by 8, you see? 25 minus 1. Here, 12 multiplied by 2. Yes, 84 dividing 2. What else can we say? 30 minus 6. Yes? And now, here, 7 multiplied by 3 equals 21, so we can find different ways. Si tú tienes otra manera y lo quieres escribir rápidamente acá, lo puedes hacer. So here, 3 multiplied by 7, you see, 21 dividing 1, you see. Next, 11 plus 10, in this case, here, for 20 plus 1, here, 7 plus 7 plus 7, and here we can say 42 dividing 2, right? Now let's move on. Divide and check. So here, quickly, 6 multiplied by 5, 32 minus 2, 32 minus 30, 2. What happened next? Bring down. How many times may I find 6 in 20? 3. 18, 20 minus 18, 2. What happened next? Bring down. How many times may I find 6 in 21? 8. Sorry, 3. 6 multiplied by 3, 18. 21 minus 18, 3. Next, how many times may I find 5 in 9? 1. 1 multiplied by 5, 5. 9 minus 5, 4. Then, how many times may I find, bring down. How many times may I find 5 in 45? 8. 8 multiplied by 5, 40. 41 minus 40, 1. What happened next? Bring down. How many times may I find 5 in 15? 3. 3 multiplied by 5, 15. 15 minus 15, 0. And bring down. How many times may I find 5 in 6? 1. 1 multiplied by 5, 5. 6 minus 5, 1. Next, let's move on. How many times may I find 4 in 1? No, so we need to say, hey, come here and work with me. How many times may I find 4 in 11? 2. 2 multiplied by 4, 8. 11 minus 8, 3. What happens next? Bring down. How many times may I find 4 in 33? 8. 8 multiplied by 4, 32. 33 minus 32, 1. What happens next? Bring down. How many times may I find 4 in 12? Yes, 3. So 3 multiplied by 4, 12. 12 minus 12, easy job. Next, work quickly. You say? Quickly. So now let's start. 17 minus 9, 8. 14 plus 3, 7. 19 minus 8, 11. 16 plus 7, 23. 21 minus 9, 29. 21 minus 9, 11. 12. 15 plus 9, 24. And 16 minus 9, 7. Yes? Good. So now we are in page 125. Yes? So let's start to do this page. We are talking about kilograms, right? Gram and kilograms. Un kilogramo necesita 1000 gramos. Ustedes pesan en kilos. ¿Listo? Los celulares, los dulces, cosas pequeñas pesan en gramos. Muchas veces no alcanzan a pesar ni siquiera el kilo. Right? So vamos a ver que se puede usar si es verdadero o falso lo que nos están diciendo acá de estas medidas. Class practice number 1. Write true or false before each of the following. So, a father weighs about 1 gram. ¿Un papá puede medir 1 gramo? No. Write F. ¿Un kilogramo pesa menos que 1 libra? ¿Un kilogramo pesa menos que 1 libra? No, pesa más. ¿Cierto? ¿El peso de una persona podría ser medido en gramos? No, porque nosotros nos vemos en kilos. ¿1 kilogramo son 1000 gramos? True. ¿1 litro es una medida de capacidad de líquido? True. Es de líquido, los litros. Tráigame 2 litros de agua. O la Coca-Cola de 1.5 litros. ¿Ves? Se mide en litros. Next, point 2. Fill in the blanks with grams or kilograms. Entonces, el perro de Mateo pesa alrededor de 10 kilograms. Right? Una barrita de dulce pesa alrededor de ¿qué? ¿41 kilos? No, grams. Right? Mr. Sawyer compró 5 gramos de papa. 5 kilograms. Right? And here, right now, point number 3. Resuelve estos problemas que tenemos acá. Mr. Bivins se fue de shopping y compró huevos por .89, leche por 2.59, queso por 3.79 y pan por $2. ¿Cuánto gastó en total? In all. So what do we need to do? Add. So let's start. 0.89, 2.59, 3.79, and 2.00. So, add 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 9, 27. I carry 2, right? 2 plus 8, 10. Plus 5, 15. Plus 7, 22. I carry 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Plus 3, 7. Plus 2, 9. If Mrs. Bivins had $10, how much did she have left? Si ella tenía $10 y pagó esto, ¿cuánto le sobró? So $10 minus 9.27. So this one changed to a 10, this one to a 9, this one to a 9, and this one to a 0. 10 minus 7, 3. 9 minus 2, 7. And 9 minus 9, 0. You see? Easy job. So now I got this page already done for you. Ya la hice, ya está hecha para ustedes. ¿Listo? Entonces yo quiero que ustedes se den cuenta de todo el proceso que se hizo. ¿Listo? Entonces vamos a hacerlo todos juntos en estos momentos. hasta aquel momento, hasta aquí esta clase, hasta la 126, estamos trabajando, ¿cierto? Y todo lo vamos a hacer en nuestro libro. ¿Listo, mis amores? Un abracito. Thank you. Bye, bye.